Yeah, people, go and welcome to the channel. Yeah, man, you know Ricky T this. You know, today we are got town. Yeah, today we are going downtown Kingston. We are going to the market district. The last time I did show you down at the waterfront. So now we are going down to the market district. People, stay tuned. Watch what I go on. So people, today, I take a taxi. I not call a taxi, I not drive. In front of you on the right hand, that is Charlie Smith. Take a taxi. Up here, taxi this here, people. Taxi run from Princess Street down a town to Jonestown, Rima, and back at town again. Yeah, people, so we're on our way. We just passed the National Laboratory, that is the blood bank. In other words, this is Anatown on the right hand side. Yeah, this is Anatown. In front of you, the building that you have in front of you, the blue and cream building that in front of you, that is Victoria Jubilee Hospital. Yeah, that is a maternity hospital for the pregnant woman, them. Only pregnant woman. And immediately behind it, on the same compound, you would have Kingston Public Hospital, that's KPH, in the same compound, the same building. Here people, up here, taxi pass right at the gate. So we are going down in a town. Yeah, so this is Princess Street. You have market people and wholesale people at Princess Street. Yeah, go down inside the town. That is not nice. Alright, Princess Street, see you. So cross over West Queen Street on Princess Street, I will make a left turn on Beckford Street and we are go towards Orange Street. Yeah, on Orange Street you would have like a whole heap of clothes store and furniture store on Orange Street. You don't have like wholesale. Only like furniture store and clothes store. Yeah. This is Orange Street. It leads back to the waterfront. This is in front, Orange Street. Same way. People on the right hand side, you can look and see Big Tree. Yeah, that is the famous Big Tree. When you hear Big Tree, that is it right there, so. Yeah, man. Big Tree. Most people from the country always hear about Big Tree. That is it right there. The famous Big Tree. Alright, going up the road, this is West Parade. This is West Parade, downtown Kingston. Yeah, that is it. And now this is North Parade. Where you see the Joe Gibbs Town Center used to be Captain Bakery, but they move it now. So I'm there in one store downtown. Sasha, where I look and things to buy. This is it. Down at town, Kingston, Jamaica. So people, this is St. William Grand Park, and we have viewed from West Parade. This tree would have a lot of Rasta people under it. It is inside of the park. The tree even look like it a ras. Yes, so with the inside of St. William Grand Park, yeah, the park there in the center of downtown Kingston, right in the heart of Parade. And we are going to the north side of the park. People, we are going to the north side, we are going to look on St. William Grand statue itself. And yeah, this is it. This is St. William Grand statue. That is the north side of the park from King Street. And I'm going to show you now the Ward Theatre. Yeah, I'm going to show you Jamaica First Theatre. That is it. The Ward Theatre. Yeah, and this church is the Methodist Church. May I go to a front view of it. The Methodist Church. Yeah, that is it. Yeah, the Methodist Church. That is East Queen Street. And this is Pernell Charles Arcade. Yeah, this is the south side. Alright, this is the other side of St. William Grand Park, the south side that. Alright, we're on the south side of King Street, lead you back to the waterfront. Yeah, the street will lead you back to the waterfront. It's a street where you have a lot of furniture, and close to where you have Flow on the street, Digicel, KFC, Circle K. This is the Supreme Court on your left and your right. Supreme Court on the both sides of the road. This is the Supreme Court, the court that was doing cartel, Vybz Kartel case. This is the Supreme Court. On the right hand side we have Scotiabank, but it closed down. Scotiabank on the right hand side, but it closed down now. So we are going to Water Lane. This is Water Lane. This is Water Lane, people. Full of graffiti on both sides of the wall. The street is not asphalt, it's brick. Yeah, the street is brick. When it was asphalt, we used to could have drive on it. Now we cannot drive on it. As you can see, them bar the road with them column here. them column in it, but this is a road that we can drive pan. Look the same way as Water Lane, and this is Beeston Street, and you have Charles Street. Look the same way like Beeston Street with the brick instead of asphalt. Alright people, so we're going back in a town. Yeah man. Running at the market side. Alright, that a ackee. That a ackee I look on part of Jamaica national dish. Right, so you have callaloo, you have papcho, you have lettuce right there, so you have haberdashery right there, so you know I don't have town this, everything there town, you come here look black, you can left look brown. You have yam, you have sweet potato, you have pumpkin, okra, you have banana, a whole heap of things there town. Whole heap of things, you come here look black, you can left look brown. You see it? Alright, round a back market. People, this a back market. And you have Tivoli Garden by your left hand side, and by your right hand side you have Coronation Market. Here you have the Great Coronation Market by your right hand side. People them carry where you see park on the street side are the vendors them vehicle. Yeah man, the market people, them, you know them save them money, them show them local partner, them show them round robin. Yeah, and buy up them local vehicle, them nice vehicle. You know the people, them full of ambition. You know this is Jamaica. That is it. We little but we Talawa. You understand? So here we go now. We are go back up to Spanish Town Road. Yeah people, we are go up to Spanish Town Road. This is Spanish Town Road, you see? Right here, so construction are going on your left hand side. Yeah man, but this is Spanish Town Road. The road that lead you back straight in a Spanish Town, no turn off, just straight into Spanish Town. Yeah man, this is Spanish Town Road. This is a Coronation Market from the other side. Yeah, this is Coronation Market from the other side. Spanish Town Road. Now we are go back on Earwood Street. This is Earwood Street, people. Yeah, one of the market street them in a town. The street that lead back to North Parade. Yeah, and this is North Parade. Them bus here lead to Half a Tree. When you take one of them coaster here, you go cross the road, then you go Half a Tree. Yeah. This is it. Yeah, and people will just pass Captain Bakery a while ago. Captain Bakery. Yeah, they moved to that location. Yeah, may I go home here now. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.